Hello everyone, welcome to Botany Insider. So Botany Insider is back with the most awaited course for the December 2024 examination. As we have our examination round the corner now for the next cycle, you should have a good grip over your previous year questions and also the revision, right? Because that is the most important segment for your preparation. You need to have a very good grip over your previous year questions, because if you look into the previous year questions, or if you look into the latest paper also that was taken up on 26th of July, we got to see a lot of questions getting repeated in various different formats, right? So having a good grip over the previous year question is of utmost importance. So looking into the importance of the previous year questions, we are starting off with a previous year and a revision course, that if you are someone who is looking forward for just a course where previous year questions are there and only basic revision is getting done, the entire syllabus is getting done on one go, you can have this particular course. The course will be comprising of live and interactive classes for all the previous year questions. We'll be starting off with the latest paper of July 2024, and we'll be going in the backward manner year wise. Every question will be taken up in the most detailed manner. Then the complete course, the complete syllabus will be revised. PYQ pointers, hard copy will be sent. So, Botany Insider curates a very special notebook, a very special segment which is called as the PYQ pointers, in which you can revise your previous year questions in a smart and an efficient manner. So, hard copy will be delivered to your doorstep. Then the notes of Botany Insider, the entire syllabus course notes will be provided to you in the soft copy. All the recordings will be available to you with unlimited access. General aptitude classes will also be taken up. Reason being, part A is again of utmost importance in addition to part B and C. So part A will also be taken up. Then regular doubt sessions will be there, and your weekly test will also be conducted, right? So make sure that if you're someone who's looking forward for a course where revision and previous year questions need to be taken up, this course is for you all. You can download our application from the Android as well as from the iOS Play stores and get yourself enrolled. The classes for the same will start from 23rd of September 2024. So you have time in middle. You can decide and get yourself enrolled. So detailed PYQ sessions, revision classes of all the units, general aptitude session, weekly test, doubt session, soft copy of notes, hard copy of PYQ pointers. You can WhatsApp us on this particular number. We'll be sharing a link with you all where you can get to have the sample check that what do we mean by the hard copy of the PYQ pointers. In addition, the course is starting from 23rd of September. You can download our application and get yourself enrolled. All the information for the course is in the description box. So check it out, and whatever doubts you have, whatever queries you have related to the course, you can download our app, chat with us over there. You can WhatsApp us on this particular number and get it clarified. Right? The classes are starting from 23rd of September. All the classes will be conducted on our application, right? So whatever is your comfort zone, everyday classes, live classes will be there. So whatever is your comfort zone, whether you want to come in the live class or whether you want to go for the recorded class, it's completely up to you. So whatever is your requirement, you can plan accordingly. Now talking about the pricing, so we have kept the pricing very nominal, and the pricing is 2024 only, right? So you can download our app and get yourself enrolled. This is the least pricing possible, and this pricing is applicable till the initiation of the course. After that, the prices are bound to increase. So if you want to enroll, you can download our app and get yourself enrolled. It's a very interesting course. It will help you out in the best manner possible, right? So make sure to download our application and get yourself enrolled. The previous year question solutions will be taken up. You can ask your doubts, get your doubts cleared. Whatever problem you have in anything, make sure to clear your doubts accordingly, right? In addition to that, the classes are starting from 23rd September. Do not forget that it's Monday, so you have complete 2 weeks in hand for enrolling and booking your slots. We have very, very limited slots, and also there's an additional offer, or there's an additional early bird offer. So you can download our app, check your personalized offer, and get yourself enrolled. All the links for the course, for our application, everything is in the description box. Check it out and get yourself enrolled. That's about for this particular video. Thank you for watching. Let's meet in the course. We'll be uploading a demo class for the same, and we'll be arranging a demo class, live demo class also very, very soon. So make sure to attend the live demo class as well and to watch the demo class so that you can decide accordingly. Okay. Bye everyone. Take care. Remember all the features. Whatever doubts you have, ask us in the comment section or WhatsApp us or chat with us on our application. We'll try to help you out in the best manner. Thank you for watching. Good luck. Take care, everyone.